this video, I will show you how to switch from curbside pickup to home delivery on HEB. So first thing that you need to do is open my HEB app or simply go to Chrome. Then search for HEB, click on the URL. After you have logged in, if you had chosen curbside in the past, you will find this curbside icon right beside the search bar. If not, here you can see in-store at below the search bar. Click on it. Then click on in-store at. From here, if you had chosen curbside, this page will open. Instead of that, click on delivery. Then put in your delivery address, put in your date and time. After that, click on save. Then you will be able to switch from curbside pickup to home delivery on the HEB. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.